Well, convicted crypto king Sam Bankman-Fried will not face a second trial. The disgraced FTX founder was found guilty last month of defrauding customers and investors of at least $10 billion US. The CBC's Albert De La Talla joins us now with all the details. Albert, take us through what we know.
Well, Hillary, the thinking here is that if the second trial were to go ahead, much of the evidence would have already been shown anyway during that recent criminal trial where that ended in conviction. So prosecutors said that it wasn't needed. That's what they told the U.S. District Judge, and that delaying sentencing could actually mean delayed restitution for the victims here. The person at the center of all this, Sam Bankman-Fried, he's the founder of the now bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange platform FTX. You can see some shots of him during that recent trial there. That was the FTX was once the second largest crypto exchange in the world. The 31-year-old was convicted in November for defrauding investors of at least $10 billion US. That was in connection to the collapse of FTX and its sister hedge fund Alameda. He was found guilty of 7 counts, including wire fraud and fraud conspiracy, and could face decades in prison. During that trial, the jury was shown glimpses of his lavish lifestyle, and we have some of those pictures to show you, including this one of him hanging out with celebrities like Katy Perry at the Super Bowl back in 2021. And there's another one that shows him sleeping on a private jet. You can see it there. The second trial would have happened in March and would have addressed different criminal counts like conspiracy to bribe foreign officials, conspiracy to commit bank fraud, and other counts separated from the original case. The prosecutors now deciding it's not in the public interest to test those charges in court.
Albert, looking ahead to March here, Sam Bankman-Fried will be sentenced. What can we expect?
Yeah, and that sentence is likely to be lengthy, Hillary, possibly more than 100 years in prison. Industry expert Elmer Kim says that conviction and likely harsh punishment is a sign that crypto trading is maturing and no longer a Wild West.
What the early pioneers of crypto were trying to do is saying, hey, we're out of government regulatory arena. We can do whatever we want. It's certainly not true. All that does is invite the really bad characters and bad actors into the fold. And what we're now seeing with Sam Bankman-Fried is guys like this are going to have to go to jail. Bad people are going to go away, and the incumbent actors and the incumbent regulators now going to be coming into the void that's been left behind.
Bankman-Fried has actually already been behind bars since August when his bail was revoked over alleged witness tampering. Sentence for that first trial where he was convicted, it's set to get underway in late March. Hillary.
Okay, Albert, thank you for this.
You're welcome.
CBC's Albert De La Talla for us.